Hello everyone, I am Dragstrip-Prime, and quick announcement if we get into it. If my camera is not facing me right now, I have an explanation for that. You don't necessarily care, but turns out my front camera has completely stopped working whatsoever, and yeah, I'm not sure what to do about that. I got us some Shelfwarmer Transformers today, the ones that didn't particularly sell well, especially during the early days of Siege. I have no idea how well the Sparkless bot sold, but I thought, hey, you want to see me open a box? Well, considering there's a lot of Transformers I don't own, I would really love watching someone open a box, especially with something I want. Though these are Shelfwarmers, so no one really wanted these. Except for me. Hey, because I am crazy. Usually there's some tape right around here. Is that it? That was anticlimactic. Oh. More tape? Nope. Just stubborn. Oven! I meant to do that. Open. This requires 2 hands, something I do not have at the time. Hello, Jolt. Theseus. Theseus. Come out of the box. No. Allow me to put down the camera for a moment so I can get it out of the box. This is gonna be goofy. Come. Thank you. What's that? I don't know what that is. You go over there. Oh, there's the instructions. I thought I threw those over in the bucket. Alright. Now comes another part I consider. Wait a minute. This comes with an arm cannon. Oh. Well, that's a place you can store it. Yeah, I guess. It's not like I was gonna not see that because I didn't. Whatever. I believe there was a Netflix official label Transformer box. Also, I gotta make another announcement while I'm cutting these. My budget for the videos has been officially cut off until after Christmas. Christmas. Ignore that. But yeah, these guys were my last available purchase for the season. I go work on getting our budget back up. There you go. Quintesson Theseus Drum. Now, a lot of people didn't buy this guy because he was kind of a niche repaint of the already okay Ironhide and Ratchet mold. A lot of people like Ratchet, I've heard, but not so much Ironhide. Now, this guy, I knew he was selling for pretty cheap, and I've never owned a Vanette mold other than the 86 Ratchet. And so I'm kind of excited to see what this guy's like to a greater extent. Before I get all obsessed over Theseus here, we're not done. No. You thought we were done? No. We can't be done. We just got started. Where is it? Where is it? Show me. Show me the precious. Snip. Snip, snip. Hey, that's the name of the Mr. Handy from Fallout, the TV show. Come on. There's no fudge here, ma'am. Snip, snip. Yeah! I hate how this thing is primarily just like hollow plastic on the sides. But why did you do that? What purpose does that serve? I guess that's one reason to like Ratchet better than Ironhide, because he doesn't come with one of those. Just like the Megatron unboxing, I gotta put it in his hand. I'm doing this all right-handed, so my precision just sucks. Alright, off with you. Alright. I've been using this as a camera stand recently. It's a gift from my mom's workplace. I'm pretty sure I just doxed myself because that was a location-specific name. Regardless of which, more box. The Sparkless Bot. I don't know why it says he's a Decepticon when he, these guys are walking zombies. Also, when I was a kid, I saw a VHS tape of Transformers Season 3. It was the episode where they discovered the Dweller and they all became vampires. That actually traumatized me because I was like what, 6 years old? And I didn't know what was going on. Also because it was Rodimus Prime and his friends, I had no idea who they were either. Try and ignore my hand, it's not a part of the video. It's all the junk my mom puts under my desk. Don't tell her I said that. You can't have me whining. Oven. Oven. Thank you. I want you to at least know I'm pulling it out of the box now. Yoink! Oh, yeah, just hide more accessories down in that back compartment. Yeah, no, I don't see a problem with that. Oh, they're it. Oh. Snip, snip. Snip, snips time. Snip. 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 Ooh. It actually worked. Snip. Snip. Snip, god darn it. Wah, wah. This one's putting up a lot of extra fight. I'll try to give you the best view that you guys can get while I perform this delicate surgery I call hitting life's problems with a rock. Stupid gats indoors. Oh, he does have heels. I thought the Siege ones didn't have heels. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Clear plastic legs. Ooh, that's not going to go wrong at all. No. Ooh, no, I couldn't at all imagine how that'd go wrong. No. How could that possibly go wrong? I have no idea. How about a certain word? It starts with crumb and it ends with bling. I think you get my point by now. More snip, snip. Except this time it's going to be harder because I cannot see what I'm doing while looking at the camera at the same time. Boosh! And I cannot just like... Bagwagwa! Bagwagwa! Come on. Step. Sorry about that. One snip down. Come on, come on. And you know what? That's enough snip. Yay. I think I have to physically turn the camera on. And anyways, that's my current unboxing haul for November/December. I won't be putting up anything new unless you want me to do something that's already in my collection. I have a lot of stuff on my collection. If you want to browse it, just ask in the comments down below. The comments really do make my day, very much so. And I look forward to seeing you all soon.